Good morning, respected leaders, esteemed members of All India Distributors Community, and my dear friends. It is an honor to address this August gathering representing the heartbeat of Indian FMCG ecosystem. Each one of you symbolize the resilience and dedication to over 8 lakh distributors serving 13 million Kirana stores and millions of consumers across our great nation. We are gathered here under the banner of our campaign Hum Hai, Hum Rahenge, a message that echoes a collective resolve to protect and preserve the sanctity of our trade. The campaign is not just a slogan, it's a movement, it's a declaration that we are here and as the backbone of Indian FMCG and retail industry, we will remain standing strong against the challenges and injustice. In the recent year, we have faced numerous challenges like unfair trade practices, the rise of quick commerce, policy ambiguity such as FDI regulations and labor law being violated, which are creating an uneven playing field for all of us. Despite these hurdles, our strength lies in our unity. Together, we represent a legacy of trust, service, excellence, and no challenges can diminish this. Corporate monopolies and unethical practice, companies have increasingly adopted policies that marginalize distributors, be it in performance based incentive, dumping near expiry stocks, or deep discounting or e commerce platform. This practice directly affects our viability and destabilize the market. The impact of quick commerce platform has promised a speedy and convenience, but what cost? The violation of labor law, exploitation of workers, and dispute the dedicated balance of the traditional trade, government's policies, and lack of oversight. While the government has made effort to regulate sector, many gaps remain, particularly in addressing FDI violations and ensure fair treatment for the distributors and retail fraternity. We, through our campaign, are here to show the strength of unity. This campaign will be simultaneously run across the country in each and every districts. We are here and we are here to stay. This is what we want to get everyone to understand. What are we demanding? We are demanding transparency and fair trade practices, regulations on quick commerce, recognition of distributors as stakeholders. Our unity is going to bring us this all. My dear friends, our strength lies in our unity. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, we are a network of committed professionals who ensure every household in India is served efficiently together, employ lakhs of people directly and indirectly, contribute to the growth of the rural and urban economy, ensure that the smallest Kinara store remains stocked, empower local businesses and consumers alike. When we stand united, no challenges is insurmountable. As we move forward, hum hai, hum rahenge, I urge every one of you to engage with local associations to spread this message to the campaign, raise awareness about the challenges we are facing, the solutions we propose, collaboration with the policy maker. A bright future is awaited for us. Friends, our journey is not without challenges, but it is one of the purpose and pride. We are the backbone of Indian economy and we will not be let alone undetermined and contribute. Let us pledge today to remain united, resilient, and determined to build a future where distributors and retailers are treated with respect, fairness we deserve. Because together, hum hai, hum rahenge. Thank you. Jai Hind.
प्रिय व्यापारी भाइयों, जैसा कि आप समाचार पत्रों के माध्यम से, सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम से हर जगह आप देख रहे हैं कि क्विक कॉमर्स और ई कॉमर्स जो कि हमारे व्यापार के लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ा चैलेंज सामने ला रहे हैं और हम अपने रिटेलर भाइयों से, व्यापारी भाइयों से, सभी से ये गुजारिश करते हैं कि AICPDF के बैनर तले हमने इस चैनल का, इस ट्रेड का मुकाबला करना है और इसके लिए हम सबको एक होकर, इकट्ठे होकर ये मुकाबला करना पड़ेगा। और इसके ही पूरे आंदोलन के लिए 3 महीने का ये आंदोलन चलेगा। इसमें आज से ही हम शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं और हमने एक नारा दिया है, हम हैं, हम रहेंगे। हमारा ट्रेड कोई भी खत्म नहीं कर सकता, ना कोई मोहल्ले की दुकान को खत्म कर सकता है, ना कोई किसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को खत्म कर सकता है, ना जो हमारा लोकल ट्रेड है उसको खत्म कर सकता है। तो हम सब ने मिलकर ये लड़ाई लड़नी है। मैं आप नववर्ष की शुभकामनाएं देते हुए इस नववर्ष से ही हम इस अभियान की शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं। आप सब ने हमारा साथ देना है क्योंकि ये आने वाले हमारे बच्चों के भविष्य का, हमारे रोजगार का प्रश्न है। तो हम इस सारी बात को सरकार तक भी पहुंचाएंगे और कंपनियों तक भी इस बात को पहुंचाएंगे और इस पूरे अभियान में सबने आपने हमारा साथ देना है। यही प्रार्थना करते हुए एक बार आप सबको नए साल की मुबारक और एक बार सब मिलके बोलेंगे कि हम हैं और हम रहेंगे। जय हिंद।